Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account control and why this matters. The phone number ties to security and notifications. Sign into the Leap app now. If the app prompts for two-factor authentication, complete it. Once signed in, tap the profile or account settings icon. This is the path to editable contact fields. Make sure you use your student ID and password, because changing a phone number requires verified identity to prevent unauthorized updates. You will now edit the phone field step by step. Tap Phone or Contact, then select Edit. Enter the new number including the country code. Why include the code? It ensures messages arrive if you travel or use an international carrier. Once entered, request the SMS or call verification code. Leap sends a time-limited code to confirm ownership. If the app shows a delay, wait and then resend the code. Patience avoids lockouts and repeated attempts. Finally, enter the verification code you received and press Confirm or Save. This finalizes the update and updates notification routing. Once done, log out and request a test code or notification to confirm the new number works. If the code never arrives, make sure the number is correct, check carrier SMS blocks, restart the app, and clear the app cache. If problems persist, contact Leap support with your student ID ready so they can verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.